kind of are about to go ahead, get packed up, and we're going to go out and see if we can hit another course. The rain has slowed down a little bit, but there is not a lot of people here shooting tack at the moment because I'm sure a lot of people got rained out. So we're actually going to take the opportunity and just go ahead and shoot as much as we possibly can of the courses. So off to round 2 on April 20th, and we'll see how this goes. We'll catch you up pretty quick.